Okay, I'm back, and it's another unboxing. I know, it's becoming a theme, it's becoming a running theme on my channel is to do unboxings. Maybe that's what my channel is going to be nowadays, an unboxing channel. But I'm back. I bought another item from eBay, so I thought I would open it on here, and it's taken all my strength not to open it before I got to this video. Okay, I got it open. Tissue paper, cute. Okay, so the first thing I got was the poster that comes with the DVD I bought. So it's this, and I might unravel it. Okay, so that's the first thing I got. And then the main event. You can probably guess what it is. Oh, they're really heavy. Okay, so I got two things. I got the Third Master DVD and whatnot, and the Wings tour. Oh my god, I'm excited for that. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, I don't know what to begin with. Third Master. Let's go Third Master, okay. I have ordered the Fourth Master off of Wetly, but they've taken so long. Oh, that's so cute. But they've taken so long to ship it. I cannot tell you. It took them like 6 days to even ship my order. So I don't know. But when that gets here, I'll probably do an unboxing of that as well. I do know what photo card I got, but it isn't Namjoon. I'll tell you that, it's not Namjoon. Okay. So first of all, we have the DVD, and I'm not expecting like pristine condition because this has been used, so like it's roughed up a bit there. So I'm not expecting that because it was off of eBay and it's been used. So cute, but I think these things are kind of hard to get a hold of now. But yep, DVDs. Can't wait to watch those. Ah. We love that, and I love the box this comes in. That's so nice. Oh. I've just realised the photo card. Well, there you go. Look at him. Wow. The cutest angel. The sweetest boy. Let's see what else we've got. Again, because I knew I was buying this, I tried not to spoil myself with knowing what's inside, so I basically don't know what's inside, like any of these. But it comes with this. I'm assuming maybe a postcard set or a sticker set. Let me just open it. I think this is it, maybe? Just what it is. It's just this postcard. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. So that's what it is, and I'm going to put that back in because we don't stand damage. Is this the House of Army thing? Ah, it is. Oh my god. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that video, it's so funny. This is all you need to know. Wait, let me zoom you the hell in. That is all you need to know. Oh my god. Like, if these images aren't enough to make you go watch it. every moment is just... They are giant memes. And then the photo book, which is really so nice. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. Honestly, half the time these things are just worth the photo books. Oh, king. Move that out of the way. There we go. Should we look at this first? Yeah, why not? Has it been open from the bottom by accident? It's just come. Okay, let's look at this one first before I open the actual thing. Oh my god. Okay, this literally goes on forever. It's like a metre long. Let's put that back before I ruin it. This box is so nice. Their packaging for some of the stuff is just the best. Like, look at that. You've probably seen unboxings of all of this, but I love this. Wow. Petition for them to do more of this packaging. I love that. Okay, so we have the photo book. Would help if it was in frame. And the DVDs. Oh, I can't wait to watch all of these. I just rewatched the Love Yourself in Soul and watched all 3 DVDs, and it took forever, but it was so good. Now the photo book, and the card is right there, so if you haven't guessed already, there's a theme. Mr. JK. Even the back of these cards is so pretty, honestly. Obviously the front is as well, but you know. I'm going to flick through these just briefly. Okay, and that's everything. So finally my family have left, so I can finally talk like a normal person and not feel like I'm whispering the entire time. But that's everything. So I got the 3rd muster kit and the Wings Tour in Seoul DVD set. I don't know what it's called. It's like the trilogy something. I don't know. And with that I got 2 JK cards because a sweet angel. And I got both of these off of a eBay seller. I'm super happy with this, and I'm just so glad I've got it, and I can't wait to watch the DVDs and flick through the photo books properly because they look insane. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and as there's no face again, you will just get Mr. JK's face in your face. Enjoy.